Rewarding responsible water use and empowering our customers, East Valley Water District uses a tiered billing structure, providing personalized water budgets, encouraging customers to only use the water they truly need.
To make sure that customers are doing everything they can to use as little water as they can, pay the lowest rates, we break our bills into 3 different tiers.
The billing structure benefits the customer because it's customized to them. We don't treat any 2 households the same. We know that every household has their own specific needs.
In this video, we'll explain how we calculate each tier, but first, some basics about our district. East Valley is dedicated to serving safe, reliable water to more than 108,000 people. Our main source of water is groundwater. We also rely on water from the Santa Ana River and imported water via the State Water Project. Now let's take a closer look at your budget. Your Tier 1 budget covers essential indoor water use, drinking, bathing, and cooking, each charged at the lowest rate and considers residents in your household based on census data. The district allocates 2 people per household, but please let customer service know if there are more. Number of gallons per person per day. The district follows the current state guideline of 47 gallons per person. Number of days in the billing cycle, usually 28 days. We expand your Tier 1 budget for longer billing cycles up to 35 days. Here's an example of a Tier 1 budget with 2 people multiplied by 47 gallons per person per day, multiplied by a 28-day billing cycle, then divided by 748 to convert gallons into units for your Tier 1 budget. Tier 2 covers efficient outdoor water use for irrigating grass, shrubs, trees, and outdoor plants. It's charged at a slightly higher rate than Tier 1. We recognize maintaining landscaping benefits our community's air quality and soil stability, as well as reducing carbon emissions. Not every landscape is the same, so we personalize each Tier 2 budget. We consider each home's irrigable square footage, calculated with infrared flyover technology that identifies specific square footage size of areas with plants, trees, grass, and other vegetation. It also accounts for slopes. The state uses this technology for its outdoor water use guidelines. We also factor in the monthly evapotranspiration rate. It's also known as ET. This is the rate of evaporation when water vapors leave soil, like a glass of water evaporating in the sunlight. ET is lower when it's cooler and slightly higher when it's warmer. Evapotranspiration data is collected from a state-certified weather station in Highland, ensuring our customers receive an accurate water allocation. ET technology is also used by California's farmers for efficient water use. Finally, we include the monthly plant factor, the rate at which plants lose water. This also varies depending on the weather. Plants and grass lose water at different rates, but we use a baseline plant factor equal to the needs of cool season grass, providing customers with extra breathing room. All of these variables are calculated at the time of billing. You can estimate your outdoor budget using tables for ET and the monthly plant factor provided on our website. Here's an example of a Tier 2 budget for a home with 1,200 square feet of irrigated square feet during the month of January. Tier 3 is any water used above a customer's Tier 1 and 2 monthly budget and is considered inefficient use. Tier 3 is charged at the highest rate, with the revenue used to fund water system efficiency, conservation projects and rebates, and to help customers reduce inefficient use.
Anytime a customer goes out into Tier 3, they pay a higher rate for that, and then that's an opportunity for us as a district and customer service to engage with the customer and let them know of opportunities to reduce their usage.
That's your water budget breakdown. Remember, as a government agency, East Valley Water District is required by law to only charge customers the costs associated with providing services. East Valley Water District and many other water agencies use a tiered billing structure to encourage conservation and to supply safe, affordable water to every customer.